Hi, welcome to this unboxing of the world's first smart grid chair. Let's unbox this. It comes in such a good packing with this is with all the logos of this Sleep Company world's smartest smart grid chair, or the first smart grid chair. So let's unbox this. You can see it's a pretty huge box, and you can unbox with good packing and plastic wrap and everything. So let's unbox this. In first, you get few smaller boxes inside. This one smaller box now containing different parts of the chair, the smaller parts. So next is these are components: the backrest, seat mechanism, and armrest, base, headrest. This is a gas lift and Allen key. So you can see it has been the parts have been packed very well with proper support and cushion, so it doesn't get damaged during the transport or the transit. So now let's take out each and every product. So first is this is the backrest. You can see this is the backrest. Next, let's take out the seating, the base. There will be three bigger parts. So this is the wheelbase. So coming to the unboxing of the box, smaller boxes which are containing all the small parts. Main three big parts: backrest, the base, and the wheel base. So these are the two armrests, left and right. You can say based on the design you can find out which side each is. So next is the other box. So in it you have the headrest, the few Allen screws, and the piston. It has a smart grid technology, which has good ventilated air change, so that keeps you ventilation throughout your sitting working time. So let's fix it. So first we take the backrest, open the screws, and then fix both the base and the backrest with each other. So with the seat and the backrest, we can unite it. You can use a screwdriver to guide it through the ridges through the way shown. Then you can fix it, keep it on a firm support. I have kept it on my lap and done. It's very difficult actually. You can just place it on some stool or some chair and fix it on the table. And using the Allen key, the bigger Allen key, you can just tighten up the backrest with the seat, and you can fix it and tighten it in clockwise direction using the Allen key. So make it in a zigzag manner so that it gets evenly tightened out. And next we will fix the armrest on the other side, which has 3 screws again, or you can open the 3 screws, place the handrest the appropriate the left or the right side, and then fix it using again the Allen key, 3 screws. You should be a little careful here because the seat will be curved, so there will be sometimes loosely connected or loosely fixed. You just have a better look over that. Then we'll fix the other side. After fixing both the armrests in such a manner, you can use it the lengthwise or the short lengthwise also to tighten the screw or the bolts given with the Allen key. The last stage you can do in vertical. So now we'll fix it to the gas lift and place it on this thing. So this is the way the chair looks. So these are the adjustable armrest, adjustable height, adjustable armrest. So next we'll fix the back support, and this will give a 90 to 135 degree recline. So after fixing everything, the chair looks in such a way. I have got the black and black, and you have the firm lumbar support. These are the some postures I have found in our website on the internet. What correct postures, incorrect postures, the different ergonomic conditions and specific mobility